Oh, we've got him rolling down that second straightaway. As we got Hodge, Burford, and Haven in and out of that corner. Oh, two up, tangled hard into that final spin as they roll him back home. The 78, Burford, and the 14 of Hodge at the line. Burford gonna get your 2 spot. Haven picking up your 3 in your 7-8 mixed open class. A 9-10 mixed open out on the go. Langto, Barr, McNutt, Mulder, Moore, Hopper, and Hancock. The Pink Avenger on the front side right now. That's Moore for PC BMX. Got the front line. Langto looking for a way on the inside as they come on back home. The last turn. Show me the money. Oh no, it's coming back at you. Gold Cup 1. McNutt, he gets around, gets the 1. Langto with the 2. The Rock 1 bike. That's going to be Barr picking up your 3. All right, coming on at us right now, 11-12 mixed open. Strandberg, Mills, and Sinclair as they come on back at us right now. On the move right now, your lead rider, that's the 2 bike up front. That's going to be Sinclair coming to the stripe. Sinclair going to get the 1. It looks like Strandberg and Mills going in the 2 and a 3 in your 11-12 mixed open. Well, we got 13-14 mixed open out on the track right now, coming on at us. On that backside, this is going to be Shoemaker. On the run with Bernard. On the fly, and Little Georgia as they take it back at us right now. The 94 bike up front for Liberty BMX. On the go, gonna have the taco sauce sitting on that 2 spot. They're barred up in that rhythm section trying to find their way home. As your lead rider, up front, Little Georgia. Here comes Bernard on the move. The final straightaway. They got the push, they got the pull coming on home. The 205 bike. That's pretty tough.